very warm welcome to all the lovely parents. Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the lovely parents, teachers, and our adorable little stars. It's such a pleasure to see you all gathered here today to celebrate a very special occasion, the annual day of our preschool. Today, we are not just celebrating the incredible growth and development of our little ones, but also the joy of learning, friendship, and the wonderful memories that have been created throughout the year. Let's begin this special event with a prayer song. May this day be filled with happiness and blessings.
Lord, you are more precious than silver. Lord, you are more precious, costly than gold. Lord, you are more beautiful than diamonds, and nothing I desire compares with you, and nothing I desire compares with you. Lord, you are more precious than silver. Lord, you are more costly than gold. Lord, you are more beautiful than diamonds, and nothing I desire compares with you, and nothing I desire compares with you, and nothing I desire compares with you, and nothing I desire compares with you.
Thank you to our children for that beautiful prayer song. It truly set the tone for this wonderful gathering. Welcome dance, beautifully performed by our talented young dancers.
कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, रंग रंग में लहराओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। चंद्र की रश्मि ईश की ज्योति, पुलकित मेरी आत्मा होती। चंद्र की रश्मि ईश की ज्योति, पुलकित मेरी आत्मा होती। तुम ही हो प्रभु पुष्प सुगंधम, जिसकी महिमा हर पल होती। अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ, अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ। मन का टूटा तार मिलाओ, मुझ में समा के मुझको उठाओ। द्वार खुला है प्रभु वर आओ। कौन बड़ा है तुमसे जगत में, तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तो मेरे। सरिता पर्वत वृक्ष में हो तुम, तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तो मेरे। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ।
What a spectacular performance. Now, to mark the beginning of today's celebration, it is my honor to welcome our distinguished guests to the stage. Let's invite Professor Narendra Nayak, Chairman, Expert Group of Institutions, Bangalore, to join us on stage for a warm and hearty welcome. Little Lily Ballal Bagh and Mullakkad, whose leadership and commitment to excellence continue to inspire all of us. Please give a warm welcome. Finally, it is with great pleasure that we welcome Sharan Shetty, the Zonal Coordinator of Little Lily Bangalore, who has been a guiding force in bringing together our Little Lily family and ensuring that we continue to grow and thrive. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Sharan Shetty. I request Ahir, Avyansh, Shriya, Pravasti to present dignitaries with a beautiful bouquet of flowers as a token of our appreciation. Thank you, Mr. Narendra Nayak. Your presence means the world to us today. I would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to Mrs. Rashmi Dheeraj, Center Head of Little Lily, Kadri and Ashok Nagar.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठेत् गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति
Chandra Nayak by presenting a token of appreciation. We would also like to honor our zonal coordinator Sharan Shetty with token of appreciation. Thank you to all our dignitaries. Your support and encouragement means so our preschool over the past year. I invite Mrs. Soumya to present the annual report and share the milestones we have achieved together.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the entire team of Little Lily, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this special occasion, our annual report of the year. It's a joyous time when we come together to celebrate the amazing milestones, events, and memories created by our little stars and the wonderful teachers and parents who make it all possible. Let's now take a moment to look back on the exciting and meaningful events that took place this year. A year filled with fun, learning, creativity, and lots of love. Our preschool is not just a place for academic growth, but also a space where children celebrate life through experiences that shape their personalities and values. Our journey began with the orientation program for parents, where we welcomed our new families to the preschool. This is where we laid the foundation for a strong partnership with the parents and ensuring we work together to nurture the growth of our little ones. The school year officially reopened on 3rd June. Our little learners came back refreshed and eager, ready to dive into a new year full of discoveries and adventures. Next, we had Father's Day. It was a special occasion to honor and appreciate the loving fathers in our preschool. Our children expressed their love through crafts and performances, making the day memorable for all the dads. On International Day in June 21st, we introduced our children to the wonderful practice of yoga. With the simple stretches and mindful breathing, they learned the importance of being healthy and calm. The first of our color days was Red Color Day, where everything from the clothes to the activities was in the shades of red. It was a fun way for our children to learn about colors in a vibrant and interactive way. Next, we had Friendship Day, which celebrates the bonds of friendship. Through games and activities, our children experienced the joy of sharing, caring, and supporting each other, fostering a spirit of teamwork. Our Independence Day celebration was filled with patriotism and pride. The little ones sang songs and colored the national flag, learning the importance of freedom and unity. The next colorful celebration was Yellow Color Day, where the children was dressed in bright yellow and activities were centered around learning about this cheerful color, a day of fun and sunshine. Next event was Raksha Bandhan, which was a heartwarming celebration of sibling love. The children tied colorful rakis, learning the values of affection, respect, and protection. We also celebrated Krishna Janmashtami, with our children engaging in traditional dance, singing, and learning about this festival's significance. On Teachers' Day, our little ones made us feel truly special. They sang songs, created cards, and showed their appreciation for their teachers in the sweetest ways. Our preschool's Ganesha Chaturthi celebration was a wonderful occasion where the children learned about the Lord Ganesha and participated in craft activity. It was a time of devotion and creativity. Next, the Onam festival was a vibrant display of culture with flower rangolis and feast of smiles. Our children dressed up in traditional Kerala attire, embracing the spirit of this festival. Next was Grandparents' Day. It was a heartfelt celebration. Our little learners spent quality time with their grandparents, creating memories that will last a lifetime. For Dasara, we celebrated the victory of good over evil through stories and craft activities. Our preschool was brightened up with lights and colors during Deepavali. The children participated in crafting beautiful lanterns, learning the meaning of light and how it symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. We also celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava, a day dedicated to our beloved state. The children participated in craft activities. Next, we had Children's Day. The Children's Day was all about children. We had fun, games, activities, and performances dedicated to making them feel special, as they are truly at the heart of our preschool. Next was Sports Day. Sports Day was an exciting day of competition and teamwork. Our little athletes participated in various races, relays, and games, showcasing their energy and enthusiasm. Next, we had Community Helpers Day. Our children learned about the important roles that community helpers like doctors, firemen, and teachers play in our lives. They dressed up as their favorite community helpers, and it was a day full of learning and fun. Following that, we had Blue Color Day. Our children enjoyed exploring this cool and calming color. This year has been filled with laughter, learning, and growth. We are so proud of all our students for their progress, creativity, and kindness. We look forward to another year of wonderful adventures ahead. Thank you for being part of this journey.
Thank you, Mrs. Saubya, for that insightful report. It's heartwarming to see how far we have come, and we look forward to even greater things in the future. And now, it is our honor to have Mr. Narendra Nayak, Chairman, Expert Group of Institutions, Mangalore, as a chief guest. A renowned educator and administrator, Professor Nayak has dedicated his career to developing quality-based science education with a distinguished background in mechanical engineering. He has served as a faculty member at the National Institution of Technology Karnataka, NITK, and founded Expert, an institution committed to excellence in education. Throughout his career, Professor Nayak has received numerous awards and accolades for his contributions to education. Beyond his academic pursuits, Professor Nayak is an avid harmonium player, displaying his passion for music. I kindly request him to address the gathering with inspiring words.
Dignitaries on the dais, the little kids of Little Ellie, their happy parents, grandparents, and the nearest and dearest of these little ones. Good evening, everybody. This is the first time I am attending the school day of such small children, small kids. It's a different experience for me because of different reasons. I'm very happy about that, first of all. First and foremost, all little kids, how do they perform and how nicely they are involved, how innocent they are. That is one thing. It's nice to see. Then second thing is my grandson is also studying here. I'm very happy about that. We are all very proud about our grandson studying, and the entire family has come. For Ahir, his name is Ahir Nayak. For him the attraction may be that little Ellie is there, no? That small elephant. That's the biggest attraction, because when he started expressing something, maybe 8 months, 9 months, during that time only, slowly when he started speaking, one of the first words what he said was Abba. Abba means little Ellie. And that is the attraction for him to join the school. I don't think it is easy to mold or train or imbibe something good at this age and stage. This is very important because that little ones will learn anything which you teach. Anything which you teach. But what is needed is making them to understand, teaching them what is right, what is not right, including starting from color. Soumya ma'am said, red day we celebrated, yellow day we celebrated. That day everything is red, to make the children or kids to understand that what is red. Whatever they learn, it must be permanent in their mind. So lot of thinking process is behind everything whatever they do. I think they need a big round of applause for their efforts, what they are putting in to make all these little ones to come up in their life and understand from the beginning. There were days where everything was learned up till the age of 5 by the little kids at home. But now it is not like that. They partly learn at home and partly they learn at preschools like Little Ellie. Hence, they have got a lot of responsibility. It's not easy. Because not that every kid will understand, every kid will immediately listen to whatever instructions they gave. So their role is like a mother. We can say that every one of them who are training the kids, they are like shadow mother. And that lovingness, that care, if they take, then only the kids will listen. And all these things must be explained to them. All these things must be taught to these little kids very affectionately, in a loving way. It has to happen at the right place. Hence the importance for schools like Little Ellie. Because every parent here, every grandparent thinks that their little ones will learn the right things and good things and good culture at the right place. That's why they are very choosy, very careful in selecting the preschools like Little Ellie. They are doing wonderful job, but the efforts must be on and on, because every time you need to update, and that's a responsibility of running a school or any educational institution for that matter. And I am 100% sure they are very alert about this, and they will go on putting their efforts, continue to putting their efforts in upbringing these kids, so that in the future they will become beautiful, responsible citizens of our country. I wish them all the best, and I am thankful for the opportunity given to me. I will never forget this particular day, because I am welcomed by my grandson on the stage. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. We are grateful for your encouragement and support. I now request dignitaries to kindly occupy the reserved seats.
Now, it's time for the youngest member of our Litlely family to shine. Let's watch as our adorable playgroup kids take the stage with their charming dance performance. Please welcome Akshayani, Bhuvin, Brihan, Parikshit, Sakshi, Tashi, Vihan with big round of applause.
Make some noise for the Bank of Boys.
There's a boy in my mind and he knows I'm thinking of him. On my way to the day and the night, the stars shine above me. He's been gone for some time, but I know I truly love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he hears it. My heart goes sha la 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 la, sha la la in the morning, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the sunshine, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the evening, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, just for you.
Make some noise for the Bank of Boys.
If your love's gone away just like mine, you feel like crying. Sing along, maybe once, maybe twice. Let's try it together. Some sweet day, no one knows he'll return, and you'll be happy. Shout it sweet in a song. Listen to your heart, it is singing. My heart goes sha la 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 la, sha la la in the morning, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the sunshine, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the evening, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, just for you.
These little ones have truly captured our hearts. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Ramya Bharatwaj, mother of Kushi R. Challa, to share her experience with Litlely.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ma'am had asked me to share what is my experience with Litlely. When it comes to experience, I really do not know where from I should start, because when we came to Litlely to join our daughter Kushi, she was the only admission. She was the first admission of the school. And we were very happy that, she would get a lot of attention and all that, but teachers were not very confident. They told us, maybe you better look for some other school or something like that, because we are just establishing. It was just maybe 1 month or something of the school had just opened. but we were very confident that we want to join here only. And then slowly, things started changing. There was one admission that they had for daycare who was Yuva, who was from Mauritius or something like that. And my daughter developed a very good friendship with him. And then later on, they got a few more admissions for nursery and things started developing. But when it came to again joining for LKG for the same school, they again told us, maybe you should look for another school because she may be alone in the class or something like that. You look for a better school. They were not at all confident, but we were very confident. We want to join her here only. And look at the crowd today, ma'am, that you have. It is a very commendable achievement of Little Ellie that we see, and they actually deserve appreciation for this. And when it comes to our experience with Little Ellie, I will have to start with my daughter's friends. She has made a lot of friends, maybe with her classes or particularly with daycare. She has a lot of friends in her daycare. She gels generally with the elder kids. And she has a friend, Vibha, Varenya, and I think Faizan. And Vibha is more like her teacher. If Vibha says something, it is final. There is no other word with that. Whatever we say, she probably doesn't listen, but Vibha's words are final. So it is something like that. When it comes to academics also, they're very supportive. They take kids very seriously. Once we had this experience, we were having problem with our daughter's posture because she was a lefty. Her handwriting was not improving because her posture of writing was not proper, and we were getting some doubts on that, and we just spoke to Archana ma'am one day, and within no time, maybe within just a period of 2 days or something, the problem was completely sorted as if there was no problem at all. And they take all these things very, very seriously, and they try to improve a lot. Maybe anything, very minor things like I complain that my daughter is not drinking water. Archana ma'am says, tell me when she's not drinking water. I'll make sure next day onwards she drinks water properly. They give water breaks and all that. So everybody may not be doing this, I'm very sure. They take everything seriously. They take kids very seriously. They don't just leave it like the kids are simply complaining or something like that. And when it comes to the caretakers, I will have to mention their caretakers are so affectionate. My daughter is very affectionate with the aunties that she has. She takes their names at home. She says Vidya auntie, Sharmila auntie, Rupa auntie and all that. Whatever they see each and every day, she comes and tells us. Their bonding is so nice with their aunties and all in the school. I will have to recall one incident which actually had moved me. That there was, when she was the first admission for the daycare, in the afternoon time, she was the only child who used to sleep. She was very small, maybe some 3 years old. There were no other kids. She was alone. And when she sleeps, she used to sleep for a good 1.5 to 2 hours of time. And in between, when she wakes up, she used to cry. And when she cries, she needs somebody there. And there was this caretaker that they had appointed. All through those 2 hours, when the child is sleeping on the cot, she used to sit next to the child without moving, without making any noise. 2 hours continuously, she'll sit there. Whenever the child wakes up, she'll comfort the child, put back her into sleep. And when she wakes up, she'll take her in her arms and get her down and do everything that she needs. I'm not saying this just because somebody else has told me. I've witnessed this. 1 or 2 times when I had come early to school to pick my daughter, she was asleep. And Saumya ma'am had shown me the visuals of the CCTV, that what is happening in the classroom. I have personally seen this, the caretaker sitting there and taking care of the child, which really moved my heart, because I did not expect somebody out of your family will be taking care of your child so well. Thank you, Little Ellie, for this, great 3 years of time that my daughter has spent here. Thank you, ma'am. All the best to you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Ramya, for sharing your touching words with us. We truly appreciate your trust and support. With huge round of applause, let's welcome our playgroup kids to mesmerize with their performance. The participants of the dance are Advit, Agastya, Avyukt, Ishan, Nirvi and Scarlett.
fix it, trash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, get it, paste it, save it, load it, write it, type it, save it, load it, memory, stack it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, stack it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, find it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code and lock it. Shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, get it, paste it, save it, load it, write it, type it, save it, load it, memory, stack it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, stack it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, fill it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code it, lock it, stack it, find it, code it, find it, bucket, fill it, code and lock it. Surf, 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 surf.
Now, let's continue the celebration with another spectacular performance by our talented nursery kids. Please welcome Ethan, Avantika, Avyan, Chirant, Dwayne, Dhyan, Ibrahim, Pranshu, and Rishan with big round of applause. Enjoy their dance.
On your marks. Stretch your arms. On your marks. Stretch your arms. Make a fist. On your marks. Stretch your arms. Make a fist. Thumbs up. On your marks. Stretch your arms. Make a fist. Thumbs up. Lift your shoulders. On your marks. Stretch your arms. Make a fist. Thumbs up. Lift your shoulders. Your head up high. On your marks. Stretch your arms. Make a fist. Thumbs up. Lift your shoulders. Your head up high. And your bottom behind. On your marks. Stretch your arms. Make a fist. Thumbs up. Lift your shoulders. Your head up high. Your bottom behind. Pigeon toed. On your marks. Stretch your arms. Make a fist. Thumbs up. Lift your shoulders. Your head
show your tongue.
And now, let's invite Mr. Ankit Purohit, parent of Havyansh Purohit, to share their experience and journey with Little Ellie.
Archana ma'am had told me to come and share my experience with the Little Ellie school, especially for my kid Havyansh. So I'm very satisfied also with the teaching what Archana ma'am, Soumya ma'am, Anita ma'am and all are giving. And especially happy with the main thing that cultural effect is still on the note that all students should know what and all your cultures are, friendship days, Raksha Bandhan days, those and all. Anyway, my experience was very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was a nice wordings from you. Now, the stage is ready for another burst of energy as our kindergarten kids take the floor with their dance performance. Please welcome Ashwat, Avnika, Hanshita, Havyansh, Kushi, Navya, Pravashti and Sonaj. Let's cheer them up.
चलवय चलवो तानी चंदना चिन्माया रूपे कोलण्ण कोले चिन्माया रूपे कोलण्ण कोले
चलवय चलवो तानी चंदना चिन्माया रूपे कोलण्ण कोले चिन्माया रूपे कोलण्ण कोले
ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮ್ಯಾಗಲ್ ಜಲ್ಲೆ ಬಿದ್ರು ಬೇಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗಲ್ ಸೋರೆ ಬುರುಡೆ ಲೋಲು ಕಿನ್ನುಡಿ ನುಡ್ಸೋನ್ಯಾರಯ್ಯ
ಚಲವಯ್ಯ ಚಲವೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದನ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಲೋಲು ಕಿನ್ನುಡಿ ನುಡಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇರಿ ಕೇರಿ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುವಲ್ಯೋ ಚಲವಯ್ಯ ಚಲವೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದನ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇರಿ ಬಂದರೀಗ ಕರಿಯ ಕಂಬ್ಳಿ ಗದ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ತಂದು ಕೊಡುವೆನ್ ಗಂಧದಿಳಿಯವ
ಚಲವಯ್ಯ ಚಲವೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದನ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಗಂಧನಾದ್ರೂ ಪೂಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವೀಳ್ಯನಾದ್ರೂ ಮೆದ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಚಲವಯ್ಯ ಚಲವೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದನ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ
ಆಗದೋನೆ ಭೋಗದೋನೆ ನಾಗರ ನಾಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿದೋನೆ ಕೋಗಿಲಂಗೆ ಕೂಗುತ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲೋ
ಚಲವಯ್ಯ ಚಲವೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದನ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಣ್ಣದೊಂದು ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ ಸಂಜೆ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಯ್ಯ ಚಲವಯ್ಯ ಚಲವೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದನ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಚಲವಯ್ಯ ಚಲವೋ ತಾನಿ ತಂದನ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ ಚಿನ್ಮಾಯ ರೂಪೇ ಕೋಲಣ್ಣ ಕೋಲೆ.
That was simply amazing. Now, let's continue the celebration with another spectacular performance by our talented nursery kids. Let's welcome Ahir, Arika, Akarsh, Daritri, Harshil, Liansh, Mohammed and Shriya. Was a fantastic dance. Today, we gather to celebrate a milestone in the lives of these bright young learners, that kindergarten graduation ceremony of Little Ellie Preschool. They have grown, they have learned, and today they are taking their first big step towards a bright future. Graduation is not just an end, it's a beginning. It's a celebration of growth, learning, and the unique journey each child has taken here at Little Ellie Preschool. Let's welcome them with huge round of applause. I would like to invite Mr. Narendra Nayak to the stage to present the graduation certificates. I request Mrs. Soumya to kindly escort our guest to dais. In discussions, she writes with clarity and intention, earning her the title of Expression Queen. She is none other than Avnika Avinash Pujari. Outstanding student who brings great enthusiasm to class activities with an immense vocabulary, eagerness to take on leadership roles, and excellence in academic. She truly stands out. Here comes Khushi R. Challa. A kind-hearted student who treats everyone with warmth and respect, especially her teachers. She possesses excellent reading skill and brings a positive, encouraging energy to the classroom. Here comes Navya Kudwa. Let's welcome a friendly student who has an immense love for learning. She quickly grasps mathematical concepts with ease and showcases clean, neat handwriting. Her enthusiasm and dedication to her studies are truly admirable. She is none other than Hanshita Kashmir Shetty. A huge round of applause for our UKG graduates. You have made us all so proud, and we wish you the very best in your future achievements. Now, I kindly invite the parents of kindergarten graduates to please come up on dais. Occupy the seats. This evening, we come together to celebrate our shining stars, our children, and the guiding forces behind them, our remarkable teachers and dedicated helpers. Tonight, we take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for their incredible contributions. Let us begin by acknowledging our incredible teachers. Teaching is much more than a job. It's a true passion. At Little Lily, we are fortunate to have educators who simplify these values. First, let's give a big round of applause for our dedicated teachers. With 11 years of experience showing immense dedication and passion for her work, she rarely takes holidays and is a true role model for all of us. Mrs. Anita, you are the backbone of our teaching team, and we are so grateful for everything you do. Please come upon to accept this token of appreciation. Next, we are for constant smile and fills every activity with fun and energy, making learning exciting for kids. Your enthusiasm is truly inspiring. Thank you, Mrs. Lekha, for all that you bring to our team. Please join us on stage to receive this honor.
Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena.
Now let's welcome a fresh and energetic teacher. She may have joined recently, but she has already made a wonderful impact. We look forward to many more achievements with you, Mrs. Divya. Please come forward to accept this token of appreciation.
Udana dhim tadana dhim tadana dhirena Udana dhim tadana dhim tadana dhirena Dhim tano 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 tadhirena Dhim tano 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 tadhirena.
Who work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. First, we would like to appreciate someone who always prioritizes the safety and well-being of our children. Her responsible and caring nature sets a wonderful example. Mrs. Rupa, thank you for your dedication. Please join us to receive this token of gratitude. Next, efficient. Whether it's helping in class or handling tasks, she does it all with a smile. Thank you, Mrs. Sharmila, for all of your hard work. Please come forward to accept this honor.
Udana dhim tadhirena dhirena Udana dhim tadhirena Udana dhim tadhirena dhirena Udana dhim tadhirena.
Finally, we want to honor her selflessness is an inspiration for us all. Mrs. Srividya, thank you for being such an important part of our preschool. Please come forward to receive this small token of appreciation.
Dhirena tadhim tadhirena tadhim tadhirena tadhim tadhirena tadhim tadhirena tadhim tadhirena tadhim tadhirena Tom tanana tano tano tadhirena Dhim tano 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 tadhirena. Dhirena dhim tadhirena Dhirena dhim tadhirena Dhirena dhim.
It is my honor and privilege to express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who made our annual day such a grand success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Narendra Nayak, Chairman Expert Group of Institutions, Mangalore, for taking time out of your busy schedule to grace this occasion. Your words of wisdom and encouragement have truly inspired us, and your presence here means so much to the entire preschool community. We also extend our sincere thanks to all our guests of honor and dignitaries who joined us today, making this event even more special. Your support and encouragement continue to motivate us to strive for excellence. To our amazing teachers, staff, choreographer Suzanne and photographer Sukumar, thank you for your endless creativity, patience and love. You are the backbone of this institution, and your tireless efforts have made today's program so delightful. Of course, the stars of today's show, our wonderful children. Let's give them a huge round of applause for their enthusiastic performances, their adorable smiles, and their hard work. You have truly filled this day with joy and laughter. A heartfelt thanks to all our parents for their constant support and cooperation. Thank you for entrusting us with your children and for being active participants in their learning journey. Lastly, I want to thank each one of you present here for being a part of our annual day celebration. Your presence and encouragement mean the world to us. Let's carry forward the joy and memories from today as we continue to nurture these little ones to achieve great things. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Divya, for your heartfelt words of gratitude. We appreciate all the support from our parents, teachers, staff, and guests. And now, as we conclude this wonderful celebration, let us all stand and join in the singing of National Anthem.